3D printed bones, also known as 3D bioprinted bones or biofabricated bones, are artificial bone structures created using 3D printing technology. These printed bones are designed to mimic the structure and properties of natural bones and can be used for various purposes, including medical applications. The process of 3D printing bones typically involves the following steps: imaging and design. The first step is to obtain a detailed scan or imaging of the patient's bone structure using techniques such as computed tomography, CT, or magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. This imaging data is then converted into a digital 3D model. Material selection. Biocompatible materials are chosen for the 3D printing process. These materials should be capable of supporting bone growth and integration with the patient's natural bone tissue. Common materials include bioceramics, such as calcium phosphates or hydroxyapatite, which closely resemble the mineral composition of human bones. 3D printing process. Using additive manufacturing techniques, the 3D printer deposits layer by layer of the chosen material based on the digital model. This process creates a three-dimensional structure that replicates the complex architecture and internal porosity of natural bones. Post-processing. After the printing is complete, the printed bone structure may undergo additional treatments or processes. This can include refining the surface texture, applying biocompatible coatings, or subjecting the printed bone to specific temperature. The resulting 3D printed bones can be used for a variety of purposes, including pre-surgical planning. Surgeons can use 3D printed bone models to study and simulate surgical procedures, allowing for better surgical precision and reducing the risk of complications. Implants and prosthetics. 3D printed bones can be customized to match a patient's specific anatomy, providing personalized implants or prosthetic devices that fit better and promote better integration with the surrounding bone tissue. Regenerative medicine. The use of 3D printed bone scaffolds, which are porous structures, can serve as a framework for new bone tissue growth. These scaffolds can be implanted in the body, and over time, natural bone cells can populate the scaffold, leading to the regeneration of functional bone tissue. Research and development in the field of 3D printed bones are ongoing, with the aim of advancing the technology and expanding its applications in the medical field.